First of all,
Yes.
I really like your dogs.
Taxi Julio! Hey!
I am Gerard.
I am Kevin.
Where did you go in Rotterdam?
Henk.
We went to Blender. In
Blender?
how do you call that, Julio?
With the Witstraat.
Where White Street?
The white
The
to white
White
street.
Street.
White and the White Street.
White to white street.
The street of the whites, you know, this is a
Yes, Julio.
This is a little
Camera.
It was very gezellig.
very gezellig means cozy. You see all the taxis? They are waiting for, this is a disco underground and
And upground.
upground. So I picked them up in Spijkenisse for 50 euro. I brought them to Rotterdam and then back also for 50 euro fixed price because they are very long customers with me.
If you film Remco right now, he's that's Remco.
Remco
Hello, Remco.
was drinking a little bit too much vodka.
Remco drinks everything too much.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you drank the tequila. Did you like the tequila?
Yes, Gerard.
Oh, that's nice, Bert. But Henk,
But-
tell me, did you like the music?
I like the music. It was like a dance stripping on the 604 UPC.
Okay. And did you like the crowd over there?
Oh, that was very nice crowd. I want to greet my Molter and Fotter. I want to greet my mom and dad,
Hey Henk.
Jen and Yvonne.
Jenny, he misses you really a lot.
Yes, Jenny.
Yes, he really
course, I
misses
will
you.
give-
Suzanne, ik ben stapelgek op jou. Woo! Take an extra picture of our best friend Remco. Remco is like, well, this is the most cozy time he gets.
Remco, we zijn er. So. Okay. You can pay with card. 4:30 in the morning.